Yeah. It starts with a rotating GTI badge on the wheel of the brand new GTI Edition 50. Why it's brand new? Because it's the Edition 50. So you get nice little badge here, some decals at the bottom, of course a different size rim. You get a steering wheel that says 50 years. The mat is also set special. You get this little plate. You got this aggressive rear spoiler. And then out in front, you get a lower lip. And it's from the people at Tengan. So, the Golf GTI Edition 50, 267,000 ringgit. So the regular Golf is 252, so 15,000 ringgit more, 1.5, and you get this car. Why not?